Do you want to be able to play a groove like this? Or a cajon feel like this? Well, then you need to have your ghost notes down. So in this video, I'm going to show 3 exercises to improve your ghost notes. But before we start the tutorial, you should know that the notation of this lesson is available in the free area at cajonmaster.com. It will be easier if you follow this lesson with the free notation. The link to subscribe to the free area is in the description below. First off, what are ghost notes? Ghost notes are soft notes played between the main accents of a groove or a fill. Adding ghost notes to grooves and fills can completely change the sound and the feel of it. For example, listen to this groove without ghost notes. And now the same groove with ghost notes. Can you hear that there is a big difference, right? Remember, the most important thing is to keep these ghost notes quiet. Low volume, as quieter as you can. So, let's get started. Let's go to the first exercise. The first exercise comes from a drum rudiment called quadruple stroke. In this pattern, you play 4 notes per hand with snare accents in every beat of the bar, followed by 3 ghost notes. Let's start learning the pattern with a slow tempo and then gradually speed it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. This second one is a triplet bass exercise. We are going to play 3 notes per beat, counting like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Again, we start slow playing the snare accents in every beat of the bar. And then all the other notes are ghost notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. Now we are going to change a little bit. We are going to change the snare accents by bass accents. It's slow, it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Two, three, four. Now we are going to play an exercise that will not only help to improve your ghost notes, but also your coordination. The accents are placed on beat 1, 1A, 2 and, 3, 3A, and 4 end of the bar. The tricky part is the silence on the 4A of the bar. It's very important to feel the little stop in the 4A of the bar. We are going to start this exercise with the right hand lead, and then after with the left hand lead. This will be a good challenge. Let's start slow and then gradually speed it up. Let's go! 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. And that's it, guys. Now you are ready to apply more ghost notes in your grooves and fills. As I said before, the free notation is available in the free tools area at cajonmaster.com. The link is below. And if you want to start playing Cajon today, you want to learn how to play the Cajon, I'm offering a free starter crash course. The link is also below. And if you are new here, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. This helps a lot. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time with another video.